You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary in English that many mispronounce, including from French, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Yes, this is a word of French origin, hence the spelling that might be a bit confusing. For reference, in French and France it is said as Justaucorps. The P and the S at the end are silent, just like in the word corps. So how do you say it in English? Justaucorps. Justaucorps is how it is said from French. Justaucorps. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, like it at least, and subscribe if you want to learn more about correct pronunciations. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.